exposing the secret to seamless networking with Aisha Network Company. Here's how we do it. At Aisha Network Company, we specialize in transforming your networking setup with precision and expertise. First, we install durable cable trays and EMT pipes, ensuring a solid foundation for your network infrastructure. Next, we pull fiber and UTP network cables with meticulous care, guaranteeing efficient data transmission without any hitches. But that's not all. We enhance your security with top-notch Wi-Fi camera installations, providing peace of mind and reliable surveillance. To top it off, our professional faceplates offer a clean and organized finish, making your setup look as good as it performs. Proper installation is key for reliable performance, and at Aisha Network Company, we've got you covered. So, whether it's for your office or home, trust us to deliver a seamless networking experience. Ready to transform your connectivity? Let's get started. Contact Aisha Network Company today and connect to the future.